Now Marek Kubacka. Slovakian winner from yesterday with Maria Zatovicova, their first World Cup win. On course to make it double delight. Kubacka. "29 years of age," following those instructions from Maria. Has to follow them very precisely at this speed as well. Kubacka looking very good. 2:17 is the time he wants. He's got over 10 seconds to play within this bottom section. Just a little wide, but he's being brought home brilliantly. And Kubacka, it's 2 from 2 here in Kranjska Gora, and every person outside of my commentary window is clapping. Kubacka takes gold again.